So this is my first pickup of the year. My boy Angel picked up these M80s. These like M80s. These loud. These are the Crazy King M80 stuff, you know. Got a pack of these rockets. I'm gonna be selling these guys, so we'll hit the line. Like those. These just because they was a good deal for those. Pack of these not for sale, but I don't even know if this is a brick. This is big. It's almost bigger than a baby. I don't even know what that is. We got a cake right here. A nice 200-gram cake. We got another cake. Another 200-gram cake. We got another cake. A nice cake. This is just a little pickup, guys. And on for my stack for the 4th. We got some ball shells here. No gay stuff. Ball shells here though. Those hit good. These right here, bro. I highly recommend these if you a low budget shopper for fireworks. Highly recommend these. These are good ball shells for beginners. We got some whistling rockets. We got, I'm gonna cover the name of those, but these got report, those crack. Those are decent thing. Already know how to cop some of the M80s. You know the vibe.